We are thrilled to introduce Elastic Lab PN Booster, a revolutionary product designed to unlock youthful radiance. This advanced formula, enriched with polynucleotide, hyaluronic acid, and other potent ingredients, marks a new era in skin rejuvenation. Prepare to experience unparalleled anti-aging benefits and rediscover your skin's vitality. Polynucleotides are powerful long-chain DNA fragments, primarily sourced from salmon, known for their high molecular weight. They provide structural support, enhance cellular growth conditions, and stimulate fibroblasts. This leads to significant skin regeneration, promoting angiogenesis, collagen synthesis, and overall skin revitalization for a smoother, younger appearance. Polynucleotides are a star ingredient, offering profound benefits. They excel in skin rejuvenation, significantly reducing the appearance of scars and fine lines. Furthermore, their unique properties contribute to melanin reduction, addressing hyperpigmentation and promoting a more even skin tone for comprehensive dermal improvement. Hyaluronic acid is renowned for its exceptional hydrating capabilities. It dramatically improves skin elasticity and texture while strengthening the skin's natural barrier function. This essential component also enhances skin repair and renewal processes, making it a safe and highly effective ingredient for maintaining optimal skin health. The combination of polynucleotides and hyaluronic acid creates a powerful synergy. This blend significantly accelerates skin barrier recovery, boosts hydration, and provides a robust anti-inflammatory response. Clinical data demonstrates reduced transepidermal water loss and inflammatory markers, leading to superior healing and revitalization. Adenosine acts as a potent wrinkle warrior, delivering remarkable skin-rejuvenating, anti-inflammatory, and wound-healing effects. It stimulates collagen production, rapidly reduces inflammation, and accelerates the skin's natural repair mechanisms. Adenosine offers a faster and more potent action for comprehensive skin improvement. Cyanocobalamin, a form of vitamin B12, is crucial for cell regeneration and wound healing. It promotes cell proliferation, enhancing skin repair and leading to a smoother, healthier complexion. This ingredient also boosts hydration, strengthens the skin barrier, and helps manage acne by reducing inflammation and regulating oil production. Mannitol is a remarkable ingredient, providing deep hydration and powerful antioxidant protection. It actively shields the skin from environmental stressors and UV damage, enhancing its natural resilience. This ensures your skin remains plump, healthy, and youthful, reinforcing its protective capabilities. Our PN Skin Booster delivers a multitude of benefits. It restores youthful radiance, significantly reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and provides deep, lasting hydration. Furthermore, it offers enhanced protection against environmental damage, ensuring your skin remains resilient, vibrant, and healthy. The Elastic Lab PN Booster is versatile, addressing a wide range of skin concerns. It is ideal for comprehensive skin rejuvenation, improving overall skin texture, and diminishing fine lines. It also effectively treats scars, alleviates dry skin conditions, and revitalizes dull skin tones for a radiant complexion. Introducing the new Elastic Lab PN Booster, representing the evolution of regeneration. This innovative product embodies our commitment to advanced skincare, offering unparalleled results for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Experience the next generation of skin revitalization with Elastic Lab.